I'm a answer. And then pumps, fuel station pumps, no.
And then they say,
I call 1418.
Oh, the Asempa Nabu, 24-hour full rise. Oh, the Asempa Nabu, 24-hour full rise. Hi, Ghana TV. Make sure like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notification that anytime video of this nature uploaded, you'll be notified. Which one for? Fuel, bono, a cost through. Fuel, no. A bono. Kwa na cost through. They say, I mean, you can say, 14 cedis, 68 pesos or so. Fuel, no. 14 cedis, 68 pesos. And our different pumps, so some are even selling it up to 15 cedis. Now, who price build up now? Who's for price build up now? What do you say? Sir, demon levy, devil levy, demolition levy, D-Levy 1 Ghana per liter of modeka. And no so can is a full boy ding or Ghana. Full bono. I had the ding. Now, Bushan for 14 cedis 68 pesos as I say on motor full liter no. Is the same as how much they were selling fuel when MPP was leaving power. Should I say in October, AYɛka no. John Mahama has successfully deceived Ghanaians that he has reduced price of fuel and to say we are back to where it all started. We are back to the Kwenkwen level, Kwenkwen dimensions. Now say within 10 months, would the almost $5 billion at the influence foreign exchange. A boy is a fool on the form. This is as Canasa. It's a Muniska on the share mobile. Forest market, no Muniska on the share mobile. I'm a catch of some munjai. What back a catch of some munjai. And she say no. 2 things are waiting for the John Mahama government. Number 1, and he said, CD is going to experience free fall. I'm not a prophet of doom, but these are the projections. CD, no, I bet it's going to experience free fall. Found because you cannot keep pushing money to the forest market, and demand for dollar is going to increase. And a lot of people will be needing money for Christmas business. The city is going to depreciate by a lot. That depreciation also no, is going to affect the cost of fuel because you are going to buy the fuel in dollars. You need more city to buy the fuel. You bring that fuel back. You pay more for it. Plus the 1 Ghana per liter. I are buying tax ever fuel no so. They say there by December. By December, fuel price no. Now, who say in opposition, okay, who opposition man, you can afford to lie your way through. Yeah, if you are in opposition, you can afford to lie your way through. You can afford to pretend as though you have all the solution to all the problems. That you are the one who knows everything, all in all, rock of knowledge. Yeah, but once you are sworn in, I solemnly swear to abide by the Constitution. The moment they say, congratulations, Mr. President, from that very day, you will be exposed. Because if you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. And clearly, NDC government way, they do not know how to govern. They do not know how to be productive. They do not know. It's a propaganda and can bet me. But pass on betting say, adjoin policies, steps, innovations, there be no way. And so this is where we have found ourselves. Ghana at crossroads. Will it get any better? I doubt. But we pray it gets better. Because saying an Amakos is saying there, by December, Now fuel meaning number 18 cities. Now fuel cover 18 cities and one them. Lorry fare no subeko. Lorry fare. Now lorry fare no go up cost of food. Subeko up. Cost of food go up. Demands and services all in go up. I mean, cost of services also go up. And this is where we have found ourselves because Ghanaians voted for Queen. But for videos upness, don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one.
I'm a answer. And then pumps, fuel station pumps, no.
And then did you say?
I call 1418.
Okay.
Now, as someone person bisa na obuame emunchechiri mama tiefo hunu ne say 1418 one CD D-Levy ne ka ho ana
Account.
Sa intinka no nka ho anka 13
say no nka ho anka 13 baby a 14 e dey anka 13 baby a 13 anka 12
intinka kra ye koye nim yo
Mentia anka kra ye koye nim
na 14 no omo beje yeah, hand over. MPP hand over. Second Ghana for your hand over power to NDC for almost a
and then 14
yo. In less than a year. Ya bejina baby a yejina na. Ebiom press conference no. Me pese quickly. Senka ubetumi aboa me akenkan we ya. Isan say wa onim say unia mania meya.
Oh, where they also mean to make
and yeah, no.
And then
Security and Intelligence Act 2020.
Away.
Act 1030.
Oh,
and section 26 and 27. Yes, you will be a intelligent and as a security adumano. Say oko amanie bi say moi and I say onya amania and I say yesusu say owo amanie bi a act we ma provision ya de safo ne faso. What you want say? I was say CJ a power bejoku wo mo betena na asem so enye open court. Ya nya attorney general we enye open court keke o. Open public. Open media. Open social media. E ho no di na asem no abuafo attorney general. Anya na adwuma ne so bua obi bema na so obi obi fo. Nso attorney general etimi ama ya hunu say kwabena du bohan kromfo. Wa wi aga na sika. Ono ne de ne say omo susu say wa yes ade ne nti nka e wo say CJ e power badwaku ene sa kwabena du bohan kwotena se no. Attorney general anyesa. Ode mra ne hye ono anensem. Ena ode kwotena social media. Traditional media and a public and all can send your pen and all yen send your pen, which is flaunting this very law. Intelligent Act 2020. No, it is against what the Attorney General did, and the engineer didn't. Majari, and you want to say intelligent asemaba from 2017 to 2025. One and a year national security minister. In common edio. 2017 to 2025. One and a year national security minister.
27.
Kandapa. Same way. What is a aboni dinwom? And so na semno. Niti ene na se ne na yina shanase. Until he has to even give us the insight. And I say. Obetire nsem ni mu yie asen pani a oda ekuo ne fa bia no ya mane tenchen se die nti ene yemfra ne ma ne meyi asem na no ebi anase yem ma ne meka mu bi no atwetwe aso from 2017 they are now oye security coordinator ne e friend no Joshua Chereme. Attorney General Emma Ehu check bi ehon sensem. The signatory to that account na ye the coordinator. Then Joshua Chereme. In some way nyina no ebe ye say pani ekoto ya kwabna dubuan ekoto mfidie bi. mfidie na magana adwumakuo na wo so mo supply mfidie no ye from mo ISC Holdings mo free Israel omo na wo se nke supplies mfidie no na be bosome mienu ya achi kwabena dubu ahen lawyers etro adwumakuo yi ebisa wo denti omo supply no mo se hwe mfidie de aba mo de ya adwuma na mo misa mo president kura say sa IP ho no say o de track enkrofo eche wo mo no sa IP system na is infidel na ankasa sa system no eno na wo de aba wo de yes adwuma no intino say yan supply sa na na ankonya sa infidel no e wanfa. It is in their letter and some America nyina are documented.
There will say documents and your documented. The court is there to determine.
Yes. Na Attorney General Babonte na oba bekasa no. De okache yan ne say ensema o gina so a o kan nyina no enyo no na ye nhwehwemu no. Na ya dwumakuo foforo bi na ye nhwehwemu no eno no e ba be prosecute. Eno nti na ye say ensem na omo kan ne de ekoso no ebi twetwe aso. Inti na bay Attorney General asam no say obi na ahwehwem eno de ama no prosecute no. Ono antwe asem ne mrafie. No Attorney General na nkasa eye na dwuma so prosecuting to ono anya investigation no your investigation no who say assembly was substance enough na sa no sade na ni a court and yes one oboga na ka unnecessarily because okwakọ na sa assembly ko bubo Ghana boka chichiri die ani amu bi yemfa nche Attorney General say enyo no na ye nhwehwemu still gina court to prosecute no ono amra me ye nhwehwemu no hunu say asem no ba ko mienu miensa no nti na meko ansa na watimi akobiem akwa prosecute ye ne be hadwen dan de oye sesi a se obi na ye nhwehwemu no de ama no prosecute nti no say ekobasa nko yi a na oba be ka che Ghana for say enyo no na ye nhwehwemu no and abebo Ghana kapa. That is why a concerned Ghanaians yaba bonten e de kokoboy aba ma Attorney General say onkomra biem no ama ni hwehwemu yanka asem ma ne prosecute yanka asem ma ne into an asem so but onye hwehwemu yie no hunu said de nti ogina court no owonyina so yie na watimi adi asem no ama Ghana adibem na Ghana dibem ya de dio wadi bone no atwena so esansa Attorney General tu sa na mo yi ya say dan mako 27 bi omo kokotwro ho se mama obia entina sa dan ni ma na se omo de omo sa to dan ni so kohwe se ne dan na omo twro ho no ya da so atwro ho ana se de aye twro ye no ya de paint akofa so ni nyina aka ensem a ye di akire ehunu se ensem ni bi ho no ma sabi omo ankasa san efra ne ntoma foforo enti no onfa asem ne mrafie no meye ne hwehwemu yie sa dan 27 no ne real honest
kwakwa Dubai de na
kwabena Dubai
o se kwabena Dubai
yeah sa dan no ni wura no ankasa sore ya nkomo de Ghana ebe famra kwan so na chawpa ne ade abam na omasan ko penti ne back enti no nsem na twetwe aso ensem no ehia nkyerɛkyerɛmu yie because Attorney General anya sɛ ɔde kɔkɔɔ to kake wo ɔde baabɔnte ma yɛ nyinaa yɛ bua pani sɛ ɔkronfo ɔdi Ghana bɔne wɔwia Ghana ɛna nsɛm nketenkete bi epiepie ebi ne ISC Holdings letter ya ɛwɔ abɔnten ebi ne adan a yɛkɔtwerɛ ho a yɛsan penti dan ne so no ɛne mmaako mmienu bi a I just don't want to be technical with it. Intino, send the Attorney General Ebeka wa Bontino, Adabraka. On Chimra, no anya nhwehwemu yi, no some prosecute. Na no ye ne be adwene. Passing say their ekoso no. Yo, asem no
more press conference no
yeah
na mo hwehwe free mo no
yeah because in some bebre ho no ma attorney general you so tie you mention cases bebre attorney general na aye nolly mo can I say
nolly protocol
yes into way say oye ni bi na so okoba biom essence or say we interested
but e dey na a trigger mo interest
yes ebi ne ba ku mienu ya me bodi kwabna dubo ahenyere oye estate developer internet Jerry oton wajapade na se obi de ne de abefra de na se oton na china wakonya asem bi oba bia na ye se de oton ni nyina no ana se ne awoye nyina no nam se adwuma awoye nti no ya de ensa abeto ni nyina so a wani beje owoma this very issue is affecting them, their education and everything, and the family they are being affected by see a buanefo ewa bonten and sana court. Now and ye kwabna du buahin. And I medi kai ko tu say omwa yes intelligence adwuma no omwa sem ye ni na wo abonten court. You can say open court and ameboa omwa etesa no ye ni omwa sem sa because niama pani eteso because wa ye Ghana intelligence adwuma for solid 8 years. Said ne ono nso send attorney general ye no so ono nso fast tangent na Majari yet Ghana and so na ye nine egu abonten anybody can attack us through sir and some may be a penny the baba abonten enti no send ya mamra no e de agu nkrata so say yenye omo ye intelligence adwuma no nothing stops the attorney general to go that tangent or to behave that way na ankwanko fa asemfoforo bi ama esan so oye nipa so no to tisi abonten said dia wonim fa asem ne ho onya sa daria ma afi bi na so okeka obi abetimi attack yen esan say watimi handle our position for how many years and yen nyina nim signal bureau no adwuma eye inti no yemfa buo emma yemra ni ndi so ne yen jai say yakope public sympathy and our public funds na yeah okromfo you say o ma diska o ma say yenya sa de no isan say ba bia e ka kono ahwe ya se papa yi anno start say ofri nsam agu ho no ma yenyina ye dache ena
na say nsam record bi e ba betu
say
disbursements be also
say eno ye nkakra bi na say daria ne ba Messi 8 years until 8 years here disbursement in pay. My Jerry. 8 years now disbursement in pay. There are evidence. On the lawyers. They ato honomo baku mienu miensa. Unya bisha. Wankasa udimrika na beba beka ya won press conference. Yes, anya ne fufuro. So who dey mention no. E Ghana. And then na kwabna du boahin. Yentie ne ye. Echine betumi ayewo echine betumi ayeme intini I 2 million no enisi ye hwe han ne hwe mema ye nye hwe han say ye nsi na bonku no bia na tesa bia na ntesa eno na me kotu emamra bo omo ho ban say omo di bone mpa sa akwan wei and I'm running the provision abasai yem form on faso.
Okay.
Into why is his own different? And I won't say why is the current national security not saying anything about their lawyer touching money? Why are they not saying anything about it? Why are they so silent? Say Bibi, if one same name, into now Attorney General. Futua ya de manan enum guase emfata Ghana on tutu na namon yi ono anya ne hwehwemu na se dia ye nyina ya beboa no ena a bona dia wa di Ghana sika de denti na wo se yeso no so obi di Ghana sika denti na wo se yeso no so sika ye nyina ya dia ni se ba ko fofa di. Now, Majari, So we need to say national security. Say wo anase omo wa nkrofobia omo pa omo ye nnwuma soronko de ma omo. Sa nkrofo no omo ye nnwuma ne wie ne etu omo ka. In order for you not to trace it. So kai say court edru ba bi no omo ye say anka court makwan no invid lawyers ne wa nkrofo enkono mo nkonkwohwe a court bogu is ompenema obia enkonkwohwe ni nyina kire say security no we have to protect it na yakona se yakohwe se mfidie ne kura na akina media fo akodi akire yakoyihu se ne a saa ye security system ana say saa mfidie a ye dia say natia never talk about it. Can't we be attacked at any time? Now, Jerry, young Tiasem Nimuye, na young Shen ye. Na in 7 city, no. Say, I'm found two baby, I was here de toi, be high as of mine. Na, and some wood, yeah, me titi be.
I got 3 minutes.
I want Masumi. Hey, and at the uncle, 30. And I may make time, me de casa. Okay,
15.
Yo. Omemuha. Omemuha gadam say. Gadam say asema AYɛka no. AYɛka ni bebre omo a yenim say political actors party hieska no omo na ye galam say na kese pa aban ba ko etwa mu na previous aban we ankasa ya bopani bi din eye Joseph Yamin time no ye deputy regional minister the man ye di ni free deputy regional minister na ye galam say so na
man e ka show
dia ma ye di yi ni free honom na eye galamsey ho niema menka se ono na tu galamsey no
but still
related matters are no yes or oboa ama ye tu ase na se nkrofo bi eco frame ni up yes and no na di ni free Ashanti region and it's on record so no aka said the ma ye di ni free Ashanti region eye galamsey ko ho
ono ana waka
yeah
na maintain
it's on tape video no achirem inti no the only interest bibisa na the American say the president say o invite nkrofo na omo aka galamsey asema na also invite NDC no invite MPP obia na wo bon wo galamsey mu bia no de nkotodwegu from pa omo chewo say omo aye bia eye say party bia here ska omra ne hono ma magibi oya sa wie na ye chew say we political actor na say wo kutu galamsey ana wo yo hene na say wo kutu galamsey ya de mra na say bia no say defro kra na de obefa so a na ye de ekọ because wa be ye menace to the society. It's answer president afre ahemfo any more political actors. I know among other parties and so it play a role because our party be penning for omote galamsey school. Omo training crofo bebre make me invitation to come and train. I may we ask my juma mempe ateche juma. And yes, I'm coming for construction. Intino, the president penny one more omo bon adwuma nim no omo na wo so odin kotodwogu omo fam because babia ne measures bia no me feel say omo are exhausted some measures no and it's still going on into from omo adwuma no na pa omo chewo said omo hwe bi omo fa meto anim na ba ye de amomo no mu nyai insuo ne asase no afiri onom na so omo se omo be ya ye chewa na se wo be protect wo adwuma de osoma wo na no protecting now I would already akwakoje antisa ena me kan ye say yenyi politician bien free galamsey fight ho. DCE, MCE, whatever CE. Yenyi free ho. Yenyi institution bien free ho. Na marine for na yes omo name protecting and water bodies. Ewo memu has said that's the navy. Eka omo call mandate ho. Omo ni omo superiors. Ena ye ni omo ndi. If omo so omo mu a, they hand them over. Then the Imrano to the military. Na Imrano anyone with descend say because now say land minister say why are they? We name me forest and
we declare
a
security zone.
Now there no any security zone that forest no. Now you say a memo be around forest. It was already
official declaration.
It was already official. Yet now I can say a forest zone do not enter. Isn't it official enough? Eh? So be boom raso not tisi muze or koye bibi fufrobia. Emrana should arrest the person and deal with the person. Until lands no. Yes, no. They should give it to the military. Military, they have their police. Young man, nympha, nenam. Young civil inside. Crying about be wasting time. They never deal with the problem on the water bodies. They protect it for us. And this is Majari. Yeah, they never call Obekwa Kochini Panaba. Politician be jano.
Okay.
Yen po enkoba bia.
That's it.
You be jira ba bia jina na ne ho be kire yen se ne ho kire ya.
Nsuo
ya akwache e central region. Our vice president Krum wa hwama e ho nsuo asa. And vice president Krum wa hwama e ho nsuo asa.
On ehwe man
afa no nam se on polytank. Na aha o. Aduane aye di kura no. Aduane no esai. Na boho na wukotu a poison in famuma. We should deal with those poisoning water bodies and the lands. Ninja say you go to borehole because in Sioni we need the water bodies, no, the streams, the rivers, and all that we need them.
All right, when I say a higher needs 100.9, Sir Akoli. Sakoli, a parliamentary correspondent, so Jina Mumai or part of the a press corps of Parliament House. If you have Chief Bureau Papa Power Parliament. Now, I say condolence to Nana say Elias Gula of Fish Pond as your mother's funeral takes place tomorrow. In Tinyami Adomanana say, the donor for Gula or Fish Pond. Sakoli say, on Mauni Busoni in shedding. Mama shedding palm. Where say it is difficult now to understand what Ghanaians want. The cedi became stronger than the US dollar and other currencies, and people complained to the extent that remittances fell drastically. Honorable Sam George was fighting to help the STV multi-choice subscribers pay a lesser rate, and he is being attacked left and right, center. We always want to throw away the baby with the bath water. Patrick, Odifree, Accra, and Abba. Where's the McJerry? Galamsey is still going on badly, and the evil dwarfs are asking for evidence before they will act. Uncle Odifree, Ayetema. Or Paris said, I beg MPP delegate, let's vote Dr. Brian Echampon to lead MPP to the promised land. We told Ghanaians that NDC and JDM doesn't respect cocoa farmers. In opposition, they said they can pay 6,500 or even 7,000 for cocoa farmers. Why now 3,605? In fact, this government scammer. Okay. And also Nadia Odiabeni. We say, please say, good morning. Who knew? Oh, me bacho we dey na na dey ba. And now, okay, no. Where they might say, I don't know whether I say we didn't come home. Well, so my name is Okan from Bantamai, the Senate West District. Sometimes it seems all of this unfaithful NDC government think we, the people of the country, are blockheaded and can do their dirty propaganda and go scot-free with it. Last year, October, when the dollar is 14 cedis plus, you called for the additional increment to be 6,000. What is keeping the delay? Okay. On the Sunday, I don't know. May pick him a final comment, but answer no. Mami fair to you for a member of home. 0302257902 0302257902 0302